In this video, we are going to see how to create virtual machine scale sets. Go on top on marketplace, search for virtual machine scale set or VM scale set. See here you have, click on it and click on create. Now select the resource group and subscription level. Subscription and give any name for your VM scale. So I am giving it as VM scale set. And select the region. And I leave the availability zone as none. And you can select the image also. I am selecting Ubuntu server and selecting the size to be 1 CPU 1 GB. So this is the lowest one, so I am giving that. And password, so you can give your username and password. Yes, after filling this column, now go to next. Here you can select any disk you want, any type of disk, and leave all others default. And now go to networking. Networking also I leave all things default. And the most important thing here is you have to use a load balancer, because when we have multiple VMs we must have a load balancer so that the traffic will be distributed evenly. Okay, so it created one new load balancer by itself, and I'm going to the next step, scaling. Here the initial instance count I need it to be 2, and I need the scaling policy to be customized, so I need to customize myself. Okay, so the number of instances I need, minimum number is I need it to be 2, so I need it 2, and maximum number of instances I need 10. And the next comes here, scale out and scale in property. So whenever the CPU threshold is 75%, and that by that time what will happen, a new virtual machine will be created by itself. Similarly, whenever the CPU threshold is minimum is only up to 25%, then by that time it will decrease the number of the instance. Say I increase the number of instance by 1. If you want, you can change. Let for me it is 1 is enough. Okay, and number of instance to decrease by 1. Okay, now I'm scaling policy. Here we have 3 types: default, newest VM, and oldest VM. So whenever we select default, it will delete the VM with the highest instance ID. So it will delete the VM randomly. But when you select the newest VM or oldest VM, when you select oldest, it will delete the oldest created VM. So it is the first VM that is created. And newest VM, when you select the scaling policy to be newest VM, then it will delete the newest created VM. So I am giving default. And next step, going to management. Here select disable the boot diagnostics and leave all others default. Now health, all others default. Now click review plus create. So this is how you have to create a virtual machine scale set. It will take little time. Let's wait for that. And yes, the virtual machine scale set is ready. Now go inside the VM scale set. This is the configuration, and go to instances. See, so it is loading. Wait for a few minutes. See, we have 2 virtual machines, and these virtual machines will not be shown on the virtual machines we see normally.